Hello people, how you doing? Welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press that bell. I'm here to let you know 6 rules of money you should know to help you in life. Without waiting, let's go to the point. First one, money does not change people, it shows who they are. Think of money like magnifying glass. Whatever traits lay hidden before are now 10 times bigger, and now people can notice them. The same magnifying glass lights the initial spark that awakens his traits that was dormant before. Money also acts like a gasoline. It makes the fire bigger. It allows you to move quicker and faster. It grants you access to tools and resources. It depends on who you are and where you want to channel its force. Money doesn't change people. It strips your vulnerability of being poor and brings them a platform of who they are. Never spend money before you earn it. If you always want to be poor, keep spending money if you haven't earned it. This is the main reason why most people never escape poverty. They borrow money to buy things they don't need or can't afford. Some who thought it's some will say is a made aggressively marketing product to the vulnerability individuals, promising happiness and the respect of the other peers. Others says is an educational issue that nobody teaches you these things, but actually, it is a personal things you are sacrificing your future at the expense of your present. People overspend on the things that they can't afford, and that's why they will never break the cycle of poverty. Don't chase money, instead, be a money magnet. It can be broken down into 12. Of the first part is don't chase money. As far you are always chasing money, it will keep running away from you. Nobody likes to be chased. Instead, let money come to you. The second part is about attracting money, which means becoming valuable enough by yourself that money comes to you because of your skills and attitude. That the more valuable you become as an individual, and more people will want you to solve problems for them. They gladly run after money and bring it to you. The fundamental difference between customer value and the creator of value is one spend while another receives money. Invest time before you invest money. This is the main thing holding people back from starting. The common belief of the average man is that you need money to make money. What this person never learns is that time is more valuable than money. It will take you an average of 7 years to build up a business, 10 years if you are not as smart, the 5 years if you already got money to begin with. Time is an acquirement. The sooner you start, you will get there. The more you learn, the more you earn. Learning is about acquiring knowledge that can be transferred into valuable in your life, and in others, that's what learning is. Knowledge of that has no potential to be manifested. That's not knowing. It's trivial, or focus yourself to get out of this of mediocrity. If you are looking to make money, you need to learn how money is made. You need to practice making money until you are good, just like learning how to play musical instruments. Never be a slave to money. Society works these days. We are enslaving ourselves. We have invented this amazing tool called debt. Some people use it to get themselves free while others lose their freedom, but debt is just the latest form of slavery. The moment you borrow money, your life is no longer yours. It belongs to the creditor who loaned you the money. Money is floating in between you, either your own money or money that owns you. You need to be the master of money. Never borrow to impress anyone. Instead, always invest, learn, and be a money magnet. Please don't forget to subscribe.